to this video, and in this video we will try to create our very first React application. So let's begin this video by setting up our development environment for the React.js. So for the React.js we need basically two things. One is the Node.js npm and another one is any code editor. Firstly we will go for the code editor, so we are going to use Visual Studio Code Editor for the editing of the code. So you can download it from the Visual Studio official website, VS Code download. So just you have to go to the Google, and on the very first link, this is the code.visualstudio.com. So you can refer this link. So through this link you can download the Visual Studio Code Editor for the Windows and for the Mac or for the Ubuntu or Linux. So this is a simple code editor and you can install this on your system. And the second tool which we need to download, that is the Node.js. So for this you have to check Node.js download. Then on the very first link you can go to this nodejs.org. So here is this LTS. This is recommended for most of the users, and also you can download it for the different OS like for Windows and Mac OS. So you can download it here from directly. So these are the two tools which we require to start our React application. So I will recommend VS Code for your Visual Studio, like for the code editing. Now we have to create our first React application. So now let's go to our Visual Studio Code. So here I have created a folder React on my laptop or machine. So now you can also create a empty folder on your machine, and now go to the terminal, new terminal. Now you have to run the command npx create a React app, then app name, let's suppose it's hello world. So npx, then create React app, and then app name, this is the hello world. So if you will execute this command, then it is asking for, we have to install the packages for the create React app. Yes for this. So now it is creating a React app from the scratch. Currently you can see that there is nothing in the React folder, but as far as this project is created, so we will get a different structure in this React folder. So now we are getting an error, cannot create a project name hello world because of namespacing in restrictions. Okay, so we have to use a different project name, first project. So now you can see it is installing React, a React DOM and the React script with the CRA templates. So as soon as this will be downloaded, so we have to wait for this, and here we can see that in the first project we are getting this file like package.json. So basically this is the most important file in our project, package.json. All the libraries, dependencies, or the version, all these are uh, here. So from here you can control the library of the our project which we are using in our application. And so now we have to wait for this one complete. This one is like creating. Okay, so it's taking time, so we have to wait for some time. So now you can see that it is installing all the React DOM. It might taking more time due to the like poor network connection from my side. So till that point we can discuss some other topic like about this command, like why we are using npx, what is npx and what is the difference between npx and npm. And here uh, can we create a new React project with the help of the npm, and how this npm is installed in our system. So there are the basically two things. One is the like npm versus npx. npm versus npx. So npm is basically node package manager, and npx is the node package executor. So basically, and in the npm is basically used to manage all the packages which we are using in our project. Like it can be the React DOM, or either we have to install any third-party library, then with the help of the npmi or then library name we can install this. And for the node package executor, so what it does, it basically install the package globally inside our project, and it will execute automatically with that, like install plus execution both. Okay, so that's why I used this npx to install this. Okay, so now as far as this project is created, so we have to run this one, and we have to run this command npm run start. Okay, sorry, npm start. So now it is saying that this path is not able to find because we are on the React. So now we have to change our route to this first project. Now we have to run this command npm start. So with this, our app will be executed and it's starting the development center. Okay, and on localhost 3000 we can see that this React app is created, and now it is running on the port 3000. Okay, so in this, here we are, but we are getting this one is the home page, and here in our application this app.js is the main file. We will discuss this folder structure later. And in the app.js file we can edit. This is first application. It is automatic save and run. Now we can see that here is our updated, this is first application. So here we can change all this one. So this is our first application that we created in our React, and it is running on 3000. Okay, now let's go back to the npm versus npx. So node package executor is basically it installed the our package and automatically execute during the prod environment. So why we are using this one? Because we don't need to write different command at the two different times. So we can also create the project with the npm. We can also create project with. So for that, what we have to do, we have firstly install create react app globally, create react app globally, and then we have to run create react app, then project name. So then we have to follow this one, or else we can do this directly. npx create react app, then project name. So like see, there is a difference between all these. Like it basically first install that install our package, and after that with the help of that package we can create the react application, and with the help of the npx it install and execution is done at the same time. So this is the difference between this. And what is the command to create the react app? this one is the command npx create react. So we will be using npx react app in our project. So you can also see that at many places, like in other tutorials or blogs, npm is also used, but I will prefer to use npx. Okay, so that's all for this video, and we will see this folder structure in the next video. Okay, yeah, thank you guys, take care, bye.